Okay, let's factorize this using our systematic approach where we find the roots first and then use our knowledge of how roots affect factorizations to write down a factorization. So first of all, what do we have? Well, we've got my polynomial, and if it is possible to factor it, you'll be able to take a 2 out the front and you'll be left with x minus alpha, x minus beta, and alpha and beta are your two roots. So we need to find alpha and beta, so two zeros of this function. So remember, the quadratic formula tells you the following. This thing is equal to 0 if and only if, so we're going to use the sledgehammer approach, if and only if x is equal to minus b, so that's going to be 3 plus minus the square root of b squared minus 4ac. So this is going to be, so let me just, here a is equal to 2, b is equal to minus 3, c is equal to minus 2. So this is minus 3 squared minus 4 times 2 times minus 2. So kind of minus 2 at the back is going to save us. All divided by 2 times a. So that's going to be 4. So this is going to be 3 plus minus what? Okay, so let's write this very carefully. It's going to be minus 3 squared, that's 9. And then what? Well, it's minus 4ac, but then that minus 2 is going to make it a plus, so it's going to be 4 times 2 times 2, that's 16. So plus 16, all divided by 4. Now, 9 plus 16 is 25, and the square root of 25 is 5. So this is 3 plus minus 5 divided by 4. So finally, writing everything down, what do I get? I would get 3 plus 5, that's 8, divided by 4, that's 2. Or, if it's minus, 3 minus 5 is minus 2. Minus 2 divided by 4 is minus a half. So this, if you want, could be your alpha, and this could be your beta. So let's write all this down. All of this guarantees that my polynomial can be written down in the form 2x minus 2 x minus a half, so plus a half. Perfectly valid simplification or factorization. And I suppose I could take the 2 into the second factor to make it really neat, maybe like this. And if you take the time to multiply that out, you'll end up getting the same thing. So that's kind of the systematic approach to doing it. It'll always work, assuming b squared minus 4ac is strictly bigger or greater than or equal to 0. This will work. Otherwise, you won't have any factorization in the world of real numbers.